remove them. Okay, so because of which they are not able to re-log in.
They are okay with that.
They are okay with that. Okay, so they said that it was.
Yes. 1 second. Give me a second.
Give me a second. I'm just
opening the PowerPoint. 1 second.
So what is sets? What are sets?
Yeah, I think you will be able to see
my screen, right?
my screen, right? But if you are not able to see my screen, one second, I will just pause and resume it so that you will be able to see it. So nothing can be done. There is some issue with the
going. Okay, please.
Okay, please be here with that. Okay.
So what is set?
Set is one of
four built-in data types in Python. Okay,
Python.
So
using which you can store collections. Okay. So set is an unordered collection data type. Set is an unordered collection type. Okay.
Whereas the list is an ordered
collection
data type. In the case
of
sets,
it is an unordered collection data.
It holds an
unordered collection of unique elements. Okay.
Like
dictionary.
You can so case of
not dictionary.
Like dictionary,
we can use the curly braces to define the sets. Okay. But here there is no value pair.
You don't need
Okay, you don't need to specify the key and value pair.
In the case of dictionary,
you need to specify the key and value pair.
But only thing is,
the similarity is the curly braces. You need to use it to define it. Okay. It is an iterable. Set is an iterable, which means we can use the for loop and or while loop,
and it is
mutable and has no duplicate. So mutable in the sense, right, you can modify the values, and you cannot have the duplicate values. Like the case of dictionary, you cannot have the duplicate keys, right?
Similarly,
here you cannot have the duplicate values at all. Okay. And sets do not support indexing. This is another thing you should be able to understand. Look here, you can define a set using the curly braces.
Sets do not
support indexing. Okay, and you cannot use index. Okay. But in the case of tuple list and we were able to use the index values to to access the elements in the list and tuples. The dictionary, using the key we can access the values. Okay, because it holds the key value pair, right? Okay, what are the basic operations on set you can do? These are the things that you can do it. Okay, you can
add an item
to
set using add
method, remove method. You can use it to remove the values from the set, and you can find out the length of your set.
In operator,
not operator, you can use it to check whether a specific value is available in your set or not. And you can use pop to
remove
the item from your set,
and
clear function.
clear method.
You can use the clear method to remove the values from your or elements from your set. So we have seen
the
same thing in the case of dictionary also, right? If you use the clear method,
it will remove
all the elements from your dictionary. Okay.
Next one is
you have something else called frozen sets. It is immutable. Frozen sets are immutable objects. Okay. So you cannot modify the data once you define the frozen set. Okay.
So
frozen set,
how you define it?
You can use the set function itself. Set. You can use the keyword set function. Okay. Inside the set function, square bracket, if you use it 1, 2, 3 something, and then you can add the value,
but you cannot
modify the value. Okay. So add something like that. Okay, you cannot add the values also. Anyhow, we will see set frozen set. Okay.
And then you
can union the sets. You can perform union operation and intersection also you can perform it, and you can compare the sets also. All those things you can use,
you can do it
using sets. Okay. So now we'll start with exploring. I will just start the Jupyter notebook. 1 second. The kernel Jupyter
notebook and
the press center. Let's wait for a few seconds. Wait this much time. Let's wait for a few seconds. So let's wait for a few more moments, okay? Let me go and grab some water. So she's saying she's out due to Sunday, sorry, Saturday weekend. I'm outside. I'm in the mall. You say in the mall, come on, night time only we are keeping it. Any of finding new movie got released. Many of them are busy watching the movies. Theaters, going to theaters. Good. Any of family people, correct. No commitment, totally agree. Okay, it just got open, right? So what I'm going to just, I'm not comfortable with this Microsoft Edge. I'm going to use Chrome. I just tried it. 1 second, sorry. Is that 7? You could see some error here, right? So copy paste, correct. Good. He has given something different now. Copy localhost 888. One second here, I just got some email from office. Some issue happened there. 1 second. 1 second. One second. I'll come back. Okay. Some issue happened. From one side, they sent an email. 1 second. Here. Some issue happened. Okay, I'll just start this way. Click on new and let's open a new notebook. Start with exploring sets. Okay. Select. Okay. Okay, how to define a set? Yes is equal to, for example, curly braces, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, and yes, if I give like this, we can see that, right? So likewise, you can use the curly braces to define the sets. You can have heterogeneous data type. Okay, you can have multiple data bytes, data types in it. Okay, and here, yeah, you cannot use index like I said. Okay, and here what we will do is, you can, how do you add an element to this one? Yes, dot add, and here let's I just put 6 here, and then yes, yeah. So this is how you can add the value to your existing set. What are the other things that you can do it with sets? It's an unordered collection, that's what I said, right? So the other things, for example, I'm going to create another set. Set 2 is equivalent to, I'm going to use set itself, okay? Instead of curly braces, you can use the set method, okay? And here, if I say the same 1, 2, let's 4, 5, and here set 2, if I give, 1 second, let's see what happens. It will throw an error, right? It's throw an error. So here, the set function accepts only one argument, sorry. You need to use this square bracket. List, right? Inside this one, if you specify it, it will work. Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 5. You can use the set function, but inside the set function accept only one argument. Hence, we can group the values and using the list, right? The square bracket. Inside the square bracket, you specify all the values. And you can use a single list, as an argument to your set function. Okay. How do I define an empty set? So empty set, for example, if I say empty set is equivalent to curly braces, we can say curly braces, but curly braces we used it in the previous session to define the dictionary. Then how will Python know the given curly braces is the dictionary or set, right? So that we will explore there. Print empty set, sorry. And I'm going to put the same thing here. I just copy paste it here. And this one I'm going to say type function inside the type function. The type function is to check the type of data type, right?
Look here.
Look here.
If I
If I use the curly braces, empty curly braces
to a
to a
variable,
variable,
it is
that
nothing
is
but
nothing but a
a
dictionary.
dictionary.
Okay, the default
The
the
default
default
collection is
collection is
dictionary.
When you define the empty set or sorry empty thing, okay, but this is not empty set, right? This is not empty set, it's a dictionary. Okay, and instead of this I'll put dict. So how do I define an empty dict? Then this one is correct, right? But the empty set, then how do I define the empty set? Let me see how many of you can tell. Already I told you the alternative way of creating this set, right? The empty set is equivalent to set function, that's all. Look here, this is how we can define the empty set. Empty dictionary. How do I do that? This is how we can do it. Okay. So if you want to add and removing elements, that's what we have seen it, right? So add function, you can use it. I will just move this down so that we'll make it as a separate topic. Not the empty set, sorry. Where is the add? Yeah, add is there here. So I'm going to add a new cell here. Adding and removing elements from set. This is how you can add the value to set. And how do you remove the value from a set? So remove function. Okay, you can use remove function. So here, s dot remove, we can use it. To remove, for example, I just want to remove 5 here. And then if I give 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, this is how we can do that. Okay, what I will do is I'm going to say yes dot. There is something else called discard. Okay, but I don't remember it. Discard. It says discard takes exactly one argument. Okay, yeah. And here, for example, I just say 6 here. And then I'm going to use yes here. And let's see, discard takes only one argument. Using discard also, you can remove the value. You can use remove or you can use discard also. Okay. But the thing is, for example, if I say now, okay, currently my set has only 3 values, right? And if I execute it again, it is not going to throw any error. So even though I don't have 6 here in my set, right? So I currently my set has only 1, 2, 3. But when I remove the value which is not there in my set, still it is not throwing an error. Whereas in the case of remove, 5 is not there, right? If I try to remove it, it will throw an error. Okay, key error. 5 is not there. But whereas discard function, even though the value is not available in your set, it is not going to throw any error. Okay. That is the difference you need to be aware of it. And next one is set operations, how we can perform the set or related operations. Set operations you can use union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference also. We can do that. So I'm going to define two sets. A contains, the set A contains 1, 2, 3, and set B contains 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to
this one.
So I have two sets A, comma B. Okay, and I'm going to perform union operation. Okay, union. How do I perform union? A,
you need to use the
you
pipe
need to use
symbol.
the
The
pipe
pipe symbol
symbol.
is
The
meant for
pipe symbol
union.
is meant for union. Okay. Print AB. Okay.
One,
Union.
two,
1,
three,
2,
four,
3, 4,
one,
5.
two,
1, 2,
three.
3.
But
But
union
you know very well.
Even
Even
SQL,
SQL, it will remove the
duplicate values.
duplicate
And
values.
how do I
And
perform
how do I perform
intersection?
intersection?
Print
A and B. Okay. A and B. Sorry. That one will do the. So what is common between these two? 3, right? So that you can get it using intersection. Ampersand is meant for the intersection, related thing. And next one is A minus B, difference. Difference between two sets. If you want to find out, print A minus B. So 1, 2. So 1, 2 is not there, right? What is the difference? What are the values that are there in A, which is not there in B? If you want to find out, you can use A minus B. Similarly, if you use B minus C, what are the values that are there in B, which is not there in A? That is the one it will give. B minus A. Yeah, so 4, 5 is not there in E, right? Next one is symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference? Anybody knows this one? Symmetric difference. Print A caret B. Sorry. What happened? A the caret B. So 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Symmetric difference. So 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah. So what does it tells you? What is symmetric difference here? 1, 2, 4, 5. Why are we getting 1, 2, 4, 5? Can someone tell me why we are getting 1, 2, 4, 5? Uncommon values. See, it is an opposite of intersection. Intersection will give you the common value between the two sets. Give me the non-common values between two sets if they ask, right? Or simply exclude the common value and give me the rest of the values between two sets. Then symmetric difference you can use it. Caret operator you can use it, okay? And we have seen list comprehension, dictionary comprehension, everything. So is there anything like comprehension available with set? Yes. Set comprehension. Set comprehension. For example, we have something called square set. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the curly braces. X star 2. X star right here. Star, sorry, my God. Or let's say X in range. 5. I give 5. You know what is range, right? And then what we are doing is print squared set. That's all. Square each and every value by 2. Squared set. So 0 squared is 0 to 1 squared is okay. What value is there in the sorry, range of 5, right? So we are not using any set. Instead, we are using range of generate 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the value will get generated, right? The 0 squared if you use 0. And 1 squared is 1. So 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, right? So here you can use, but if you have to use the for loop, so you need to write 3 or 4 lines of code. With comprehension, as the name suggests, you can write a very less number of code here. So this is the beauty of the functional programming. Okay, and also if you want to check any membership, 1 second here. Just give me a second. I'm getting some call. And now we will see, okay, sorry. Okay, now next we will see the what else? Yeah, checking membership. How do we check the membership? So in operator, you can use in or not in and all, you can use it. For example, you have something called fruits is equivalent to the curly braces. So I just say banana, comma, orange, cherry. And I like pineapple. And then this is the one will give you the fruits that are, let me measure. When you use print fruits. Okay, now if we want to check any specific value, right? The print banana in operator in fruits. It will return true or false. Okay. And for example, I just say print kiwi. Okay, kiwi not in fruits. Again, I just hit the run button. Let's see. Pineapple, banana, orange. These are the three elements that are there in fruits. And fruits is a set. And print fruits, we can see that the values that are there in merge set. And banana in fruits in operator, right? Using which you can set the membership. Okay, what are the members? Okay, whether the member banana is there in the set? Yes. Kiwi is there, kiwi is not there, yes, true, right? So you can, you can perform the existence check using in or not in and something like that. Okay. Next one is the immutable set. I told you set is a mutable one, but we have something else called. Yes, you are correct, right? So what do you mean by immutable sets? Frozen set. That's what I said. Frozen set. And here the frozen, for example, will give some meaningful name. Frozen set is equivalent to frozen set. The function name is frozen set. And here inside this curly bracket, I just give 1, 2, 3, and then here I just say frozen set. 1, 2, 3, fine. Okay. If I do something like frozen set dot add. If I give 4, it'll throw an error. Okay. So with that, we can understand you cannot modify the value in your frozen set. Okay. Frozen set is a immutable set. Next one is removing duplicates. How do I remove the duplicate? Removing duplicate. In most of the interviews, they ask this question: how do you remove the duplicate values, even from the list with the sets? Okay, and here I just say my underscore list is equal to I have a list that contains duplicate, right? So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Something is there. So I need to remove the duplicates. And here simply what I do is print set of my list. Sorry, I need to put one more parenthesis. And then hit the run button. Yes. Even though we have the each and every element repeated more than once, right? Using the set function. Okay, the set parenthesis, the list, if you pass it, it will remove the. So as we know, set is a set contains only the unique values. Even if you pass any duplicate values, it will remove the duplicate values. Okay. Next one, what else we can do, guys? We have something called comparing sets. Okay, comparing sets, the same thing, A is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to, let's say, 1, 2. Let's take a simple example. Now what we will do is subset. I'm going to use subset and print B dot is subset of A. True, right? B is subset of A. 1, 2 is already there in A. Okay. And like subset, we have something else called superset. Superset. Sorry, print the opposite. A is superset of B. Compared to B, yeah, A contains many things. Okay, and then the disjoint. We have something called disjoint. Okay, let's say C equal to 4. Let's take another example. Okay, 4, 5, and print A dot is disjoint C. So B is subset of A, right? 1, 2 is subset of A because A contains 1, 2, and 3, right? So since A already contains 1, 2, B is a subset of A, and A is a superset of B. That's what we can see, right? A is superset B. Okay, and disjoint. Let's say we have another set called 4, 5. So A is disjoint C. That means whatever value is there in A which is not there in C, right? Disjoint. That is called your disjoint. And how do I clear and copy the sets? You can use clear method, right? So you can use clear method. So here I say something like A dot clear function method, okay, clear method, using which we can clear the values from your, and then you can say A, okay, clear method is in a set, that's all, okay. And then copy, for example, we can copy set. Is equivalent to 4, 5, 6 dot copy. Okay, print copy set. So here on the right side, right, I have used the copy. If I use just 4, 5, 6, it is going to create a this thing, right? It will create. So it creates shallow copy. What is the difference between deep copy and shallow copy, guys? How many of you know that? Deep copy and shallow copy. How many of you remember it? If you don't remember it, please watch my previous session videos. Okay. To summarize, set is an unordered collection of data, right? So this set is mutable, whereas frozen set is immutable. Once you create a set, even though you have duplicates in it, right? But or even if you try to add duplicate values, you cannot. It'll it'll keep only the unique values. It allows only the unique values. Even if you use the add method to add the duplicate value, still what will happen? Still it will remove the duplicates. And for example, you have a list. The list, forget about the set. You know what is list, right? So in the case of list, if you have any duplicate values, so that is using set you can remove it, okay? Very simple and interesting, right? Yeah. So these are called collections, okay? One second here, and sorry guys. Okay, I just end this recording thing now.